Today, we're going to explore a cool feature on Instagram called Notes and how to use it to create prompts. If you're not familiar with it, a prompt on Instagram Notes is a quick question, thought, or conversation starter that you can share at the top of your friends' or followers' direct messages. These prompts are short, limited to 60 characters, and appear like mini status updates for your friends to see when they open their messages. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to write and share a prompt on Instagram Notes. Open the Instagram app and go to your DMs. Make sure you're on the latest version of Instagram. Tap on your note to start writing. On my screen, I see the option to share a song. But whatever you see here on your screen, let's go ahead and click on this icon with the question mark. As you can see, a text field has opened for entering a prompt. Type out your prompt, keeping in mind the character limit of 60 characters. It's a great way to ask a question, share an idea, or encourage some interaction without making a full post or story. For example, I'm going to ask, how many subscribers do we have on YouTube? Then, we add a response by clicking here. Add the answer you'd like. After you've written your prompt and response, choose whether you want it to be visible to close friends or followers you follow back. Once you're ready, tap Share, and your prompt will be visible to the people you've selected at the top of their DM screen. Here's how it looks. When someone sees your prompt and clicks on it, a window like this will open. From there, they can respond to your prompt privately. You can see on the screen how all this looks. Interesting, right? If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more Instagram tips and tricks.